The new UX 300H replaces the previous UX 250H, and the bigger number on the badge means it has a more powerful hybrid setup under the hood. Horsepower goes up from 181 horsepower to 196 horsepower thanks to more powerful electric motors, and there's a new lithium-ion battery pack as well. Other updates include a larger available digital gauge cluster screen, enhancements to the driver assistance features, and a newly available color called Copper Crest. The price of the 2025 Lexus UX starts at $37,500 and goes up to $46,000 depending on the trim and options. We like the F-Sport handling model because it comes with better front seats, a sportier exterior appearance, and adaptive dampers that improve ride quality and cornering performance. It's also fully loaded with the UX's best tech offerings, including a larger touchscreen infotainment system. The UX 300H is available only as a hybrid, and its powertrain consists of a 2.0-liter inline-four gasoline engine and two electric motors that combine for 196 horsepower. When we tested the UX 250H back in 2019, it needed a rather slothful 8.6 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. With a little more power, we suspect the UX 300H will deliver a quicker time and feel perkier around town. Official EPA estimates for the front-wheel drive 2025 UX 300H are 45 miles per gallon city and 41 miles per gallon highway. Every UX has a touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and 4 USB ports. The little Lexus also can be enhanced with numerous options that include a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, built-in navigation, wireless charging, and an 8-speaker premium audio system.